Hello? Yo, what's up, bro? Are you good? Can you talk for a second? I really need to talk to you about something important. No, it's urgent, actually. No, I need to talk to you right now. Alright, good. Listen up. What an year 2018 has been. I started off the year as a very small channel with around 6,000 subscribers, not knowing what new products will be released and which way my channel is going to go. As a matter of fact, back then I only had my DJI Spark, and although I was excited for the new drone tech that was coming, I had no idea so many cool things are about to happen. So when the DJI Mavic Air was announced, I was super hyped. I ordered it immediately, and when I received it, I wanted to test everything about this drone. I flew it in all types of weather, bright and sunny, extreme cold, strong winds, and I even purposely tried to crash it using the APAS feature, and I did. And I almost lost it due to some interference problems. I learned so much about this drone and I felt so comfortable with it. I was using it everywhere, every day, even in places where I shouldn't have. But eventually everything was good with this drone and it quickly became my favorite piece of tech that I've ever owned. Later in the year, I got my hands on a couple of different cool pieces of tech, such as the small Rise Tello, which turned out to be much more fun than I anticipated, the DJI Ronin-s gimbal, which was really good for me to test and use for a while with my main camera, and even the smartphone gimbals Osmo Mobile 2, Feiyutech Vimbal 2, and just recently the DJI Osmo Pocket. Right around the end of the summer, I got my hands on the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which is hands down the best drone that I've ever owned, and also the one that I've had the most fun with. I feel like I've pushed my content to another level with this drone simply because it allows me to create the shots that I originally imagined in my head. I've used this drone to capture some great moments, started taking a lot more photos rather than just videos, and I learned quite a lot, shared with you guys a lot of information, tutorials, and I think ultimately I became a better pilot. But there is one highlight of the year that I really want to focus on. It's basically not just one moment, it's a continuous process that it's still going on until today, and it's also the best part of the year for me. And that is the community we've created together. All the new connections, all the new friendships, partnerships that I made throughout these past 12 months. That's certainly one of the best things about YouTube. The fact that it connects you with so many like-minded individuals that, that share the same passion and are willing to share their experience with you. Whether it's in the comment section under my videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, via email or DMs, you guys have created a huge impact on my life, and to be honest, I don't see myself ever leaving this community. In the past 365 days, I found some people that I'm proud to call my friends. I made videos with people that I admire, and I managed to put together an idea that I've had in my head for a while. This amazing compilation of stunning drone clips from all around the globe called Why We Love Drones. This video is a summary of the reasons we are so passionate about the great hobby of flying a drone, and it shows some of the most beautiful places around the world filmed from a drone. I highly encourage you to watch it and share it with your friends if you haven't already, because to this date it's still my favorite video I've ever been a part of, simply because of all the amazing people I've connected with in the process of putting it together. So when I think about 2018, I don't think about all the material stuff that I've gathered in the past 12 months. Instead, I have this nice warm feeling about the people that I've managed to reach with my content, hopefully teach something useful or at least entertain for a while. You guys have made this year so special for me, and for that, I'm thankful. I can only hope we continue this trend in 2019 and we continue to grow this amazing community together. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you guys. See you next year. Ciao.